So catnip is invasive, so we're going to put it in this big pot. Make sure you recycle. We originally planted this rosemary bush about 5 years ago when we were living with my mom. Now, she isn't fond of rosemary and wanted it to go somewhere where it would be used. Some branches died after the transplant, so I'm pruning those. Very important to keep plants healthy. So I accidentally cut off some nice green sprigs. So we're going to use that to make some rosemary bread. But the rest of the dead stuff just go in the compost. I hate we lost so much of it, but it's like we might be able to keep about half of it from its transfer trip. Looks like our catnip is doing okay. Whatever was eating it, looks like it has stopped. So I went to the store and saw some plants. So got some herbs. I love me some fresh basil on a pizza or on some eggs. We also bought some cilantro, an orange bell pepper plant, and an eggplant.
Can I have a piece of cilantro?
Not right now. We want to get it growing good and then you can have some. Okay.
Yeah.
What's this?
Basil.
Smell it.
Basil. That's good.
Oh, everybody back. Everybody back.
Come on.
Yellow jackets. Yeah, not too happy.
I know some people do trust falls to build, well, trust, but in our marriage, we like to swing heavy, sharp metal objects in close proximity to the other person. Just kidding, I was not really that close, it's just the angle of the camera. Thank you, Daddy. We added some soap to the corners, as well as a fence to try and keep the vermins away. Unfortunately, the cilantro died before we could get it in the ground. Those deer are ravenous. They even pulled this thing out of the ground. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is depressing. Out of our 9 tomato plants, I think we're gonna get 3 tomatoes. Okay, let's focus on something more positive. These blueberry bushes. I do find it ironic that the one thing we didn't plant did the best. My husband remembers when his grandfather planted these 3 bushes when he was a young boy. sure what happened to this orange bell pepper plant. It was doing fine, and then suddenly it wasn't. I went ahead and picked it just so I didn't have to look at it anymore. As you can see, our herb garden, especially the basil, is doing great. Rosemary's holding on. Our mint is okay. Catnip looks much better. We may yet, Mr. Frodo, get some peppers. Oh, I just broke something.
Yeah, I was ready.
Okay. One tomato. This eggplant. Oh, it's already split up the side. You think?
I felt it was still kind of woody.
Yeah, it's pretty firm yet. Moment of truth. Purple bell pepper. It's a little earthy. Not super sweet. But not terrible. Not my favorite, but certainly not bad. And it's purple, it's okay.